Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Student, food is essential to remain alive. We take various kinds of food in our daily life. Most of these food are complex. Our body can't absorb this food directly. Before absorb this food need digestion. Dear student, our today's topic is digestive system and blood circulation system, part 1, and this is lecture 5. Student, this is your science book. This is chapter 5 in your book. So let's start today's topic. The food that we take are mostly complex food. These complex foods cannot be utilized directly by our body. The process by which complex and soluble food are changed into absorbable, soluble and liquid form of food with the help of specific enzymes is called digestion. The system that takes part in digestion is called digestive system. Digestion of food. Food is necessary to remain alive. We take food through our mouth. After swallowing, we don't see the food. After few hours, food is digested and converted into simple ingredients that the body can absorb. Undigested and useless materials are expelled as fecal matter. We do not have any control on the changes that occur inside the body. We can see only taking of food through mouth and expelling fecal matter through anus. The group of organs that take part in bringing these changes are called digestive system. The digestion of food that we take starts from the buccal cavity. Saliva and enzymes. We take food through our mouth. We start chewing with teeth after taking it inside the mouth. The tongue stirs the food so that it is chewed well. The food mixed up with saliva inside buccal cavity. Saliva is a colorless fluid. Saliva is secreted from the salivary gland situated at the back side of the tongue. Saliva has a special role in digestion. It makes food slippery and helps to swallow. Saliva contains one type of enzyme. Enzyme is such a material that mixes with food and helps the reaction but does not take part in it and remain unchanged. The enzymes work well up to a certain temperature. Enzymes perform definite and specific functions such as trypsin acts only on protein. Student, there are so many types of enzymes in our body and these enzymes are work with specific food elements. Enzyme present in saliva turns starch into sugar, maltose. For this reason, when carbohydrates are chewed and kept inside the mouth, it tastes sweet. Tongue helps us to swallow food materials. Digestive system. To complete digestive process, a number of organs form. the digestive system along with few glands secreting digestive juice and enzymes. The digestive system is constituted with mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Besides, 3 glands are there who secrete digestive juice and enzymes such as stomach glands, pancreas and liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. Moreover, few small glands in the inner walls of stomach and small intestine secrete digestive juice and enzymes. Our digestive system extends from buccal to anus. Student, I have used here colored picture to better understanding. You can see this is mouth cavity and this is esophagus, and this one is liver, this one bile duct, this is duodenum, this is large intestine, this is cecum, and this one is appendix, and this is ileum, and this is diaphragm, this is stomach, this is pancreas, this is colon, and this is rectum, and this is anus. Student, I will discuss about detail this digestive organ in our next class. Student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home, stay home and abide by your parents, and see you again in our next class. Thank you all.